Hey, great to have you here. I'm Ivan, the founder of azimu.ai. Let me briefly walk you around our app and its key features. Right now we are located at the Timeline tab. All the information you can see here, the tasks, the statuses, the team, the dependencies, this is all automatically loaded from your task management tool like Jira, Asana, or anything else. And they always stay in sync, meaning any change that you do within your task management tool is going to appear here immediately and vice versa. So you don't need to do any manual work to support this Gantt chart. It's always up to date for you to know the status of your project. The most interesting part is the timeline section to the right. We use machine learning to analyze your past performance and predict the more accurate delivery dates for each task in your project, so you can actually see when your project is going to reach the deadline. If you don't have the dependencies in your task management tool, Azimu will automatically allocate the tasks in an optimal way on a first in, first out basis. Also, you can update the dependencies here by hand, and they're going to be synced to a task management tool. Or you can also invite your colleagues to update dependencies for you if they know them better. So your colleagues are going to receive the message in Slack, actually, that is going to invite them, and when they enter the tool, they're going to see highlighted tasks that they have to update the dependencies for you. Also, you can enjoy regular reports from Azimu in your Slack, which is really convenient. So you can have a daily or any regular report with key changes in your project. You can see which items are blocked and what are the key changes for the items that are in progress currently within your task management tool or code versioning system. Also, if the task seems blocked, the Azimu will send a notification to the employee who is assigned to these tasks with the request to update the status, the delivery date, and get you a comment in an asynchronous way so you can read this later when you are actually available. Also, the employees, when they have some changes in their capacity, can call Azimu up in their Slack and update the capacity here, put the vacation or day off, so you actually know that they are not going to be in the office, and the timeline is automatically synced based on these updates. If you'd like, you can also dive into the deeper analysis of what's been happening with your project with our dashboard. Here you can see the actual work that the team has done, the tickets that are blocked, and some metrics that are configurable for your project, like the average time to action, the average time to finish, your velocity, hours in each status, also the commits, the open and closed pull requests, and many other more statistics. By the way, to get started, you'll only need to do 3 steps. Just go to Settings, and here you'll have to fill in the fields for Task Management Tool, Git, and install the Slack application there. The process for each tool just requires a couple of steps, and it's easily written in our Help Center. Also, we don't collect code, and we are fully transparent with that. If you'd like to use that feature, you need to install the Git CLI open source API, and you will be secure on the enterprise level. So, if you are still with me, I'd bet Azimu can help you drive your product to market quicker. Just reach out to us by filling the form below our website, and we'd be happy to talk about many more use cases that you have and how we can actually help you. Have a great day.